Remember the days when we used to have to punch into a clock and take orders from a boss, and we used to be frustrated every single day. We used to have to wake up and go to work for that stupid boss and make like pennies and peanuts and barely make ends meet. Those days used to suck, didn't they? Well, good thing those days are gone now. Now we have this thing called the internet, and everybody's making all kinds of money online. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Now what I'm going to show you today is a stupid, simple, easy way of making money online. It shouldn't take you more than an hour to set all this up. Then you can just go to bed tonight and rest easy and be happy and be cute and be queen of clue. And it's making me stutter over my words, okay? Because you're gonna wake up in the morning, you're gonna start having some money coming in, hitting that bank account, start turning those negatives into positives, and change your entire life, okay? Once you learn some of these tricks that we talk about inside this YouTube channel of mine, then you're gonna be financially free, all right? You're gonna be able to quit your job. Just pick like 3 or 4 techniques that I teach in here. You don't even need to do all of them. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do with this method of no work, go to sleep, collect paychecks, you don't need a following, you don't need any skills, you don't need anything special. Welcome to this beautiful technique that I discovered here. Now, okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to this website called Zazing or Zazing or Zazing. I don't know how to pronounce it exactly. We're gonna make an account. Making an account is completely free, so I don't want to hear any crying down in the comment section. Oh my God, I gotta make an account. It's free, okay? Just sign up for Zazing. And what this is it's an affiliate network. Basically what that means is these brands come on here and they allow anybody and everybody to sell their stuff. So I don't want to hear, oh my God, I don't want to start a business because I don't have anything to sell. You can literally just sell other people's stuff, and you can sell big brand stuff. Like, you don't even have to do a whole lot of convincing to sell someone on Verizon. You know, it's like you probably sit there and tell your friends every single day Verizon's better than T-Mobile or whatever you say to your friends. So why not make money when they decide to sign up instead with Verizon? That's all this is. That's all affiliate marketing is. Okay, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a few videos on this channel. I think there's an entire playlist, and I might I might put it up here in a card somewhere in this video, so check to see if that popped up. But what you want to do is just choose one of these, and you can just click this easily promote to earn button. Okay, promote to earn. Okay, and it'll just give you, bam, what this is called is this is an affiliate link. This link is specially coded to you and only you and nobody else on the planet but you. Okay, there's nobody else on the planet that has this link but you. It's specially coded. That means if someone clicks on this link, okay, which is yours, and they go and sign up for Verizon or buy whatever thingy-mabobber thing, you get credit for that. You get the payment. You get commission. Okay, boom, simple as that. So let's copy that, and let's go over here to Verizon Shop to Earn. Let's see what kind of deals we have for Verizon. So up to $800 off a new 5G phone. And you can just kind of scroll through here what kind of sales and promotions you're going to be promoting. And this is very easy, by the way. If you think this is going to be like a whole lot of work, oh my God, I don't know how to promote. I don't want to knock on people's door to door and blah, 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 blah. We don't like negativity or complaining stuff on this channel, okay? You're not going to have to do any of that. Zero. This is for beginners. This is for, you have zero, nada, no computer knowledge, no following, no, you don't do Instagram posting. You don't need to do any of that, okay? You can set this up within an hour from watching this video. Watch this video, set this up within about an hour, and go to sleep tonight knowing you're going to start making some money. That's it, okay? It's simple. Now, with that being said, you're just kind of getting an idea of what it is that you're selling. Okay, basically phone stuff. But we kind of could figure that just by knowing that it was Verizon. So the next thing we're going to do, okay, so now we're over here at Snappa and we're doing the Facebook posts here. Facebook post is what we are looking for. Not because we're going to post anything on Facebook particularly. We're really just doing it because we like the size and the pretty colors and everything like that. From scratch, feature templates. Unfortunately, I can't search on here. I would like to find a picture where someone's like holding a phone or talking on the phone, or a picture of a phone, because we're selling phone stuff, right? Verizon, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's see. That one is that. That one's this, is that. Is that a phone? Nope, that's food. All right, so which one is a phone? I don't know. Well, come on, phones. Let's get over here. Ha! There it is. So we found a picture of a phone, and we're gonna go over to, for me, I would like to go over to Verizon.com and kind of research a little bit, get an idea of how they are advertising on here, how they market themselves, maybe even steal some of their headlines, because this is a multi-million, I think billions of dollar corporation. So if they know how to do anything, they know how to sell stuff, right? So we're just gonna copy that. New Samsung Galaxy Z series, blah blah blah. Let's see, anything else that they say? Why Verizon might give us some good ideas. America's most reliable network, that might be a good one. Ready, set, snap. America's most reliable network. That's like entirely way too big, but we're gonna make it smaller. All right, so let's make it smaller. Okay, so we've made it a hell of a lot smaller. Let's make it a little bit bigger than that. All right, so yeah, that'll work. And I also like making this maybe red. We're gonna just do a little bit of weird design work stuff. But America's most reliable network. We could even use like a we could use like their actual logo, because we're selling their stuff anyway. So they're not gonna get mad, right? Like we're using like their intellectual property and everything. They're not gonna get mad about that, because we're actually selling their stuff. What I would like to do is actually delete this entire thing, because it just kind of like clashes with the colors a little bit. How the hell do I get rid of it? Let's see. It won't let me do it that way. Where's my little garbage can? There it is. Okay. Oh, I want to delete all these too. Okay. There it is. There's our whole picture there. America's most reliable network. I don't love the font. It's something, I'm just nitpicking at this point. But there you go. Now we have our own little Verizon, photo. And it took us like what? How long did that take? Even though I was fumbling and stumbling through it, it took us like 5 minutes maybe. You have your own photo that you're gonna use now. It's basically like an ad, right? It's an advertisement for what you're going to promote, your special link that we just grabbed. And I'm gonna show you now. Let's download it. Hit download and always select high-res PNG, because it's gonna make it look like nice and pretty and crisp and everything. You want a nice pretty picture. We downloaded it. It's now, I could have called it something. It's undesigned. It's untitled design. But anyway, we have it now on our computer, and we're gonna go over now and take that over to a website called Ad Clerks. Okay, Ad Clerks. And what these are called native ads. Native ads. And what native ads means basically is you're going to be advertising on someone else's website. Remember I said you don't need any followers, you don't need any website, any traffic, anything like that. I'm not lying, okay? I don't make this stuff up, okay? So you don't need any of that, because we're gonna be using other people's stuff. The motto of this entire channel, okay? The infamous Joel, and you're subscribed to this channel. Hopefully you're subscribed, and if you're not, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Make sure you subscribe, and especially hit that like button, but subscribe. The motto of this channel is live a life of freedom, passion, fulfillment, okay? And what that means is that you don't have to do all this work that you think you have to do. You were raised to, work hard and break your balls and, sweat for the man and everything. You were taught that that was morally correct. Working hard and doing all that stuff. Okay? And I'm here to tell you, wealthy people, and I'm semi-wealthy. I don't consider myself like super crazy wealthy. I will be at some point, continuing to do what I'm doing. But you don't value that stuff. Value laziness. Say to yourself, you know what? I deserve to relax, sit at home, or travel with my family, with my kids, and give them the life they deserve. I don't deserve to build someone else's dreams. Okay, that's not what I want to do with my life. So this is what you want to do with this. Is they have ads from, this is category. I selected cryptocurrency, I think, for some reason. I was just looking around. So they have these categories. And since we know we're selling phone stuff, we have to decide, okay, what types of websites would this type of ad probably work best on? They shopping, pets and animal shopping might be. Health and fitness, no. Gaming and humor, business and finance. Business and finance might, people who are looking at business websites and financial stuff, they might be interested in getting a new phone or a new service. People that travel, the sports and travel. Family and religion, that might be a good one. Entertainment or news, not so much. Family and religion, I would say it's anywhere between family and religion and shopping. Mainly because I could just see family and religion, they're looking at stuff with family and religion, and seeing an ad for Verizon, they might be interested in switching providers or something like that. I'm thinking like the regular Joe Schmo. Shopping is a good one, so I'm gonna try shopping and see what pops up. Now, as you can see, these websites here that popped up for me, click through rate impressions. Okay, that means nothing. So they have a website here called the Deal Bay. And it's 3.7 thousand impressions. That means that's how many people visit that website every single month. And if you pay $10 per month, you're gonna get your ad displayed on this website, the ad that we just created, okay? And by ad just created, I mean this one, the one we just downloaded, we created, and it's gonna have your special affiliate link, remember. So when people click on it and they go sign up for, Verizon coupons and services and all the stuff that we saw, you're gonna get a cut from that. Now remember, this is it. You set it up, you did it once, and that's it. All you literally do is set this up one time, make some profits from it, and reinvest those profits and do it again, and again, and again, and again. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we have an online business. It's much, much easier. You can just use leverage, use other people's traffic, other people's websites, other people's products, other people's services. I just click family and religion just to see what pops up here. Simple mom review, that might be a good one to have a Verizon ad on there. Parenting while traveling, oh, that's a really good one. And look at this, it's only $1 per 1,000 impressions. So you literally spend $1 okay, to have 1,000 people see that ad. Now, what are the chances that maybe just one of them clicks on the ad and buys, whatever packages, these Verizon things, $800? Oh, these are coupons. So they sign up, right? And up to $500 prepaid Visa card. These are great deals. They sign up for one of those deals. You get a cut from that. You get a percentage. It could be, $50, $100, whatever, but you only spent $1. That's called a profit margin. Right? So you've made profit, and then again, you just reinvest and pay even more. You want more views, more impressions, more people to see your ad, pay more. Take money from your profits and pay back into it. And that's how you grow a business online. And in this type of business, this system that I just showed you here, you've done absolutely nothing. You didn't build the website. You didn't build a following, you didn't create any products, you didn't do anything. You literally came over here and you made a picture. That's all you did. That's all you did. Okay, and you can do this over and over and over, week in and week out, month in and month out. And at some point, you can just feel comfortable enough to walk away from your 9-to-5 because you'll have a giant picture making empire. You can even hire someone else to do it. And that's it. The end. Now, if you like this video, again, make sure you smash and punch and kick that lonely like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.